Welcome back to another video. In the previous video, we have seen one of the gaming segment laptops from Asus, which is the ROG series, and now in this video, let's see the overview of another gaming series, which is the TUF series. I have given the exact model details in the description along with the buying link. You can check it out. You are watching Tech Privilege, and now let's get into the video. To start with the build, it has a strong build and feels sturdy. The bottom is made of plastic and the top panel is made of alloy and has a sandstone finish. Also, it has a nice texture and Asus logo on the back. The weight of the laptop is also similar to a gaming laptop and weighs around 2.2 kgs. The display here is of great importance and it has an IPS panel with anti-glare coating, and most importantly, the refresh rate here is 144Hz, so the game will be buttery smooth. The size of the display is 15.6 inches and it's a Full HD Plus LED backlit panel with an aspect ratio of 16:9. On the top, we have a thin bezel where we have the webcam and mic integrated, and on the bottom chin, we again have Asus branding. As seen, we are also able to open the laptop with just one hand easily. As we move on to the keyboard of this laptop, we have a full-sized backlit keyboard with the WASD keys in white color. The keys give a tactile feedback and the travel between keys is also comfortable and easy to adapt. Also, the keypad has one-zone RGB lighting which you can configure according to your liking using the Armoury Create software. The trackpad is also placed in a good position and also has some inbuilt gesture controls. The power button here is placed on the top right corner with LED on it, which is a nice thing to see. As far as the hardware is concerned, we have the Ryzen 5 3550H processor with a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz and a boost clock speed of 3.7 GHz. With this, we get a RAM of 8GB, upgradable up to 32GB, coupled with 1TB of HDD storage and also 512GB of M.2 SSD, in which you can also add another 512GB of SSD. So without a doubt, the boot up and multitasking is fast as hell. If you like this video until now, consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's come to the main aspect when a gaming laptop is considered, which is the GPU. This one has the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GDDR5 4GB VRAM, which is a good chipset in this price range and can run all demanding titles and also take up editing work without any issue. I haven't tested the full gaming performance, but as far as I played, it's good and smooth, and also I did some editing work using it, and it's super smooth to use. This combined with a 144Hz display, I'm sure the gaming experience will be incredible. Also, for better heat dissipation, we have many vents placed on the sides, on the back and also on the front. In the back, we also have some light indicators for charging and caps lock. The Ryzen processor here has 4 cores and 8 threads, which gives better single core performance compared to the Intel processors at this price range. We also get Windows 10 Home pre-installed with lifetime validity. Last but not the least, the I/O ports in this device are one audio combo jack, 2 Type-A USB 3.2 ports, one USB 2.0 port, one full-sized HDMI port, one Ethernet port, and finally the power input port. All the ports are given on the left side, which I think is a disadvantage as it might look a bit cramped. The ports could have been equally divided on the left and right side for better user comfort. With that, we come to the end of this video. Like, share and subscribe and tell your feedback in the comments below. And also, thank you everyone for 100 subscribers. Looking forward for more support and we'll be back with another video soon. Bye.